There's the snow. There's the path that Chris made for us kids to go to school. It goes around the side of that house. There's Sammy. Say hi, Pop. And here's some snow for the Doris family. Davy, Cindy, Abby, Amber. I'm sharing the snow with you guys. You just don't have to be so cold. That's where the kids go sledding down the hill. They were doing it yesterday, but the snow covered it again. Look at the pretty tree. That tree needs lights. Sammy, come. What are you doing? Oh, Chris snowblowed. Yeah, he puts it right on the house. Oh, and look at all the icicles off the roof already. Lots of snow. Sammy's like, what are you doing? Coseco! Coseco! Lots of snow. They plowed us though, so that's shocking. Snow for you. Come on. Coseco! Coseco! Go get it.